Today you are going to practice adding and subtracting using a hundreds chart. All right, let's start with an easy one. Let's say we're doing 24 plus 3. We're going to start at the number 24, and we're going to move in the positive direction 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We land at 27. Let's say we're doing 24 plus 10. We're going to start at 24, but we're not going to move 10 to the right. If you drop down 1 row, that is the same as adding 10. So we just drop down 1 time and we're at 34. So let's say we want to do 24 plus 13. We can start at 24. We're going to move down 1 to add 10, and then we're going to move over to the right 3 more times. So we ended at 37. Let's try a few more that involve regrouping. So if we were to add these vertically, we would have regrouping, but we don't have to worry about that with a hundreds chart. So for this one, we would start at 35. To add 20, we would move down 2 rows. Then we would move over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we land at 61. For 48 plus 33, we will start at 48. We will move down 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and then we count up 3 more, 79, 80, 81. And even if you just move down on the hundreds chart this many times, so if you're at 48, you'd be at 58, 68, 78, and then you're gonna just count on from 78 3 times, 79, 80, 81. So you can definitely use the hundreds chart, but you can also just use the rules of the hundreds chart and a combination of your fingers to find the answer. Now let's try a few examples with subtraction. We're gonna start at 45. Then we're gonna go backwards for subtraction 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we landed at 41. For 45 minus 10, we would start at 45 and we would go up 1 row to find a smaller number. So that would be 35. If we start at 45 and we need to subtract 14, we would start at 45, go up 1 row because we're going to be working with that tens column first. Then we would go backwards 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and land at 31. Okay, you can also use a combination of this with fingers. So if we were at 45 and we took away 10, that would bring us to 35. And then if we have to count back 4 more, 34, 33, 32, 31. Okay, you have fingers for a reason. It is for math. So if you ever need to use your fingers for math, that is perfectly fine. All right, let's try a few subtraction problems with regrouping. Okay, so if you're at 62 and we need to subtract 13, we're gonna go up 1 row. Then we have to go backwards 3. 1, 2, 3, to land at 49. You could also start at 62. Know that when you take away 10, you're at 52, and then go backwards 3 more. So if you're at 52, 51, 50, 49. So 49 is your answer. All right.